Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your current location in Google Maps. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to change your current location, firstly open your Google Map application. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on Settings option. Click on Edit Home or Work option displayed on the screen. Tap on Home and enter or locate your home address. After locating your home address, click on Save. You can also enter and save your location on Google Map. For that, you need to locate your work location on map and then click on Save option. This is how you can change your current location on Google Map application. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.